Hey guys, just want to let you know I'll be on tour in Europe in February, and I'm really excited to see all of you. So we did this video specifically for you, and I hope you enjoy.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, so she ran away in her sleep. Paradise, paradise. Every time she closed her eyes. When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, and the bullets catching her teeth. Life goes on, it gets so heavy. The wheel breaks the butterfly. Every tear a war.